ABC Educational Channel. Ways to say thank you. English conversation.
Thank you very much.
Let's read it again. Thank you very much.
Thanks so much.
Let's read it again. Thanks so much.
I'm so grateful.
Let's read it again. I'm so grateful.
Thanks.
Let's read it again. Thanks.
It's very kind of you.
Let's read it again. It's very kind of you.
You are the best.
Let's read it again. You are the best.
You're great.
Let's read it again. You're great.
Thanks a lot.
Let's read it again. Thanks a lot.
I appreciate it.
Let's read it again. I appreciate it.
Many thanks.
Let's read it again. Many thanks.
I'm beyond grateful.
Let's read it again. I'm beyond grateful.
It means the world to me.
Let's read it again. It means the world to me.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.